Hello, everyone. I'm the lead engineer at Communication Square. We provide various solutions to different companies, including the Microsoft Teams phone system, which is designed to enhance business communication. In today's demo, I will be walking you through the user side of Microsoft Teams phone system to show how you can manage calls, voicemail, call settings, and more. A common question we receive is whether the Teams phone system complies with standards like PCI, HIPAA, and CJIS. The short answer is that compliance depends on proper implementation and configuration within organization. Microsoft offers comprehensive documentation and tools to help organizations meet regulated industry requirements, so it's important to follow best practices when setting up Teams to ensure you remain compliant. You can access the Teams phone system on mobile devices, iOS and Android, on a Windows or Mac desktop, or even in a web browser. For this demonstration, I'm using the web application at teams.microsoft.com. After logging in, I've switched from the legacy interface to the new Teams view in my browser. On the left, you'll see icons for activity shows recent updates including channels and chats, calls. This is basically the phone system. Chat handles one-on-one or group messaging, Teams manages your projects and channels, Calendar reveals scheduled events, and OneDrive integrates file storage, and you can add more apps as needed. You can also add additional apps to suit your specific needs by browsing this. Focusing on the Calls section, you'll notice three main panels: the keypad, call history, and speed dial. The keypad lets you manually type a number or search the global address list to find colleagues or external contacts. If you belong to multiple phone queues or have multiple assigned numbers, you can also choose which number to use when placing a call. For example, this is assigned to my number. I'm in the support team and I can call as a support agent instead of my personal work line. But I'm going to be using my personal number. After you initiate a call, you'll see various options, including the ability to add more participants. The second button place the call on hold, the third is to transfer it. You can either do a direct transfer, sending the caller immediately to another person, or choose consult then transfer, allowing you to speak to your manager or colleague first and then hand over the call. Teams also offers features like call recording and real-time transcription, if enabled, and you can switch audio devices or mute your mic as needed. Once you end the call, the history panel displays your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls, along with any voicemail messages. Voicemail often includes a text transcription sent straight to your Exchange mailbox, so it's easy to keep track of who called and why. You can filter by inputting voicemail in the search bar. The last is speed dial. The third panel in Calls is where you store frequently dialed numbers for quick access. In the Teams settings, you can further refine how your calls are handled for each number or queue you're part of, whether that's your personal work line, a support queue, or sales queue. You can set unique ringtones, customize music on hold, decide when and how to forward calls, for example, to an external number or another user in your organization, and record personalized voicemail greetings. You can even set up an out-of-office voicemail and designate delegates who can answer and make calls on your behalf, which is useful if you're busy or out for the day. That's a look at the most important features of the Teams phone system from a user's perspective, including call handling, voicemail, recording, and various configuration options. If you have more questions about compliance, features, or how to tailor Microsoft Teams phone system for your organization, we'd love to help. Let's schedule a meeting so we can discuss your needs in detail. I look forward to speaking with you soon.